Hi, welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we discuss about the topic of unusual event detection in low resolution of video for enhancing ATM security. So ATM inside, sometimes the unusual event it will be happen. So we have to detect using image processing analysis using the videos. So abstracts in real world applications, we have to track and target the low resolution video challenging of task. There is a loss discriminative detail in visual appearance of moving object. So this is the mostly based on the enhance of low resolution super resolution technique, but these methods of require high computational cost. This cost further increase if we are dealing with the event detection. In this paper we present an algorithm which is able to detect unusual of event without the such type of conversation and well suited for the enhancement security. So the proposed algorithm only uses the close morphological operation and disk life structuring element using pre-processing step to cop up the low resolutions video. For the resolutions, rolling average background subtraction techniques to detect our foreground object from dynamic background in scene. Our proposed algorithm is able to recognize the occurrence of uncommon events such as overcrowding or fight low resolution video simply by using statistical and property of standard and moving objects. And the first enough because process low resolution frames would not be helpful and surveillance of enhancing using does not be classified avoid. This is our abstracting an existing system. So existing method mostly based on the enhancement of low resolution super resolution technique. This cost further increase by dealing the event detection. In this paper algorithm able to unusual without the such type of conversation suited for enhancement security of ATM. So the low resolution cameras are generally used due to their low cost. This threshold setting was used in for evaluating the performance of different features. Although this may cause many arguments on this selection and threshold, it can demonstrate the performance of different approaches. By looking the direction accuracy at a fixed point to result given a high precision, following we present the evaluation result also. Disadvantage: low resolution video, low computational cost and performance quite poor in the real life surveillance application. And proposed our algorithms to recognize the occurrence uncommon event for overcrowding, fight and sleeping, and sometimes thief it will be happen for ATM money. So misuse by statistical property it is enough to because process low resolution frames helpful surveillance of system. So the camera for the low resolutions are still used does not classify any avoid requirements of training system initially. So the change of detection sequence in popularity of large number of application. Obtaining the correct tracking information moving foreground object is not to take easy like modeling activity of recognition without of the ATM removing conventional of low resolution. It uses the rolling average background subtraction technique segment foreground object of the scene dynamic background and then perceive the object features and of extract by simply apply the morphological operation with a suitable structuring element. It only the statistical properties under division centroids of the recognition abnormals event. So advantage: it has a reliable, robust and efficient performance and tracking easily to identify the racking event. An introduction: past few decades of significant and the effect of effort field of moving analysis, the robotic authentication and media protection, video surveillance, biological results. So this application is very reliable and many challenges on hardness improvement. This application illumination change, dynamic and occultation, shadow all those. These obstacles become more cumbersome when we perform this object tracking row resolution. That row resolution moves discriminative detail and visual features, and then adjure resolution video extract the contour, also shape identification. Some approaches row resolution, some approaches high resolution. So the super resolution techniques will provide a not cost of effective. So our main model of this system architecture, how to select any dataset for related unusual event. So upload that video from dataset, any given format and path and file. After apply the video, you have to convert a frame conversion to store in separate folder. After frame conversion, you have to read some row column wise a number of frames. After that frames, you have to apply pre-processing, background subtraction, skeleton algorithm, and finally tracking what kind of function that will be done, what kind of unusual it will be going on. So finally given the result for using skeletonization or background subtraction. So this is our unusual event for this ATM inside happen our source code. The main.n our main source code, run the file. So given path and file it will be go. So we have some data set videos. So select any one video. For example, I will select this one, open. So given format, the video it will be loaded, take some time, please wait. After the video loader, the some frame it will be convert, and the frames will be stored on this folder separately. So we have using movie player, reader or video reader input. So kind of you have to play that video. This is our video player. After frame conversion, row column wise, pre-processing, select n frames. After pre-processing, applied background subtraction, threshold binary value we have to apply. After background subtraction, skeleton section analysis using correlation and analysis using the multi-SVM classifier. This is our edge detection function going on. So the image will be tracking blue layers and normal single frame. This is the binary subtraction. So number of frames it will be processed. After complete, how to detect what kind of event. Background removal, skeletonization, sleeping inside the ATM, message box alert also will come. So this is the skeletonization structure. So message box alert, okay. Skeletonization structure, correlation analysis you have to use, background remove channel, and then this is the deleted function and deleted. So tracking, final tracking result from one frame of video. So threshold apply, edge detection, gray image, binary, complement, original frame, gray filtering analyze, frame conversion and video. Given value of this variable it will be stored on workspace. What kind of function it will be stored separately. So this is our output of unusual event detection.